Morning, everyone, and welcome to Wondering Wednesday. It is February 10th, 2021. It is 2/10/2021. And I'm sure you all recognize this woman. She is Miss Rosa Parks. And when she was involved in the bus boycotts, she had this to say: "I had no idea that history was being made. I was just tired of giving up." Never give up, boys and girls. Please stand to salute our flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. You may be seated for the morning announcements. We are in February, and that is Black History Month, and today there are another bunch of children who would like to talk to you about why they feel Black History Month is important to them.
Black History Month, it's important to me because I get to learn about Black people who did things to make our world a better place. It's good to have some sort of inspiration.
I find Bob Marley pretty inspiring.
Tracy Ellis Ross.
Michelle Obama inspires me. She shows so much love and so much grace.
My mom inspires me.
Denzel Washington. He's been a trailblazer for actors of color for such a long time.
It shows me that, I could do something like that in the future.
Our family, they're just like our heroes to us.
I look at what other people have done. Confident Black women who have accomplished so much.
Black History Month means to me celebrating my color.
I feel like it gives us a voice,
A very, very beautiful color.
an opportunity to teach people, okay, this is who we are.
And how it's not just inspiring me now, it's inspiring so many other people.
Celebrating you.
Celebrating me.
Celebrating us.
Who inspires you, boys and girls? Think about it. So for the morning announcements, I want to make sure that grades 1 through 5 are ready for round 2 of their iReady Math Diagnostic. You are doing amazing, so keep up the great work and keep up the great effort. Take your time, do your best. That's all we can ask. And don't forget, you are going to get a lot of them wrong, and that's okay. Because in doing so, we're trying to figure out the best lessons for you and what you need. And it is Wondering Wednesday, as I said, so hop on over to Schoology to see our new poll. Mrs. Bannister will be scoring and entering data into SBS until 11:30 today, when she will resume her normal schedule. We always say it, boys and girls, and I know you know it. Say it with me. If it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And this is what we do on a daily basis. But I don't want you to just challenge yourself. I want you to challenge others. How can you help others become the best versions of themselves? So challenge yourself and challenge others. Have a great day, everyone.